Ahmed Rushdi may well be called the first pop singer of Pakistan. He and composer Suhail Rana teamed up with the flamboyant Wahid Murad in 1966 to light up the silver screen with Coco Corina in Arman. Rushdi and Wahid Murad were like soul brothers. No other actor could perform Rushdi's songs as well as Murad did. It did not matter whether the song was reflecting a joyous romantic scene or a tragic sequence of events. Other leading heroes of 2 decades like Nadeem, Muhammad Ali, Shahid, Kamal also performed Rushdi's numbers quite well.
I think 80% of my songs. I must say he was such a darling fellow. For me and for Wahid Murad, he has done the maximum number of songs.
And for an actor, it used to really help while we used to picturize those songs.
मोहब्बत तुम्हारी अच्छा इस उम्र में ये लक्षण बुढ़ापे में दिल ना लगाना पड़े मियाँ वरना किसी लड़की से मार खाओगे.
He was a great singer with a lot of expressions.
देखो बरखुरदा, ये बार-बार तुम हमें उम्र का ताना मत दिया करो. उम्र पर न जाओ, हाँ उम्र पर न जाओ. मेरा दिल तो है जवान, मैं हूँ सच्चा आशिक, तुम जान जाओगे.
His voice quality was excellent, especially for the screen.
Even his duets with Noor Jahan, Mala and Roona Laila scored well with the film fans as well as music buffs. Unlike Mehdi Hasan and Masood Rana's songs, which were somewhat slow-paced and melancholic, Rushdi's numbers always reverberated with verve and vitality. Rushdi ruled the film world of Pakistan like none of his contemporaries could. From 1960 to 1975, he sang for films and even performed on the stage and at musical gatherings. His style was not influenced by any of the legendary past gurus like Saigal, Pankaj Maleko, K.C. Day or even Surinder. Rushdi was an original to the core. It was a sad day 25 years ago when he departed from this world after a heart attack. He was only 45 years old. His demise left a void in Pakistani pop music which has not been filled to this day. M. Naveed Ahmed, Dawn News.